Have you ever thought about how some creatures seem to reshape their homes? Take beavers, for example. These furry engineers build dams using branches and mud, creating ponds that change the landscape and provide habitats for many other species. Termites are another great example. They construct large mounds that can affect local airflow and moisture, creating a unique environment. Even ants can change their surroundings by building intricate tunnels and nests. These activities not only help the animals thrive, but also support entire ecosystems by providing shelter and resources for other organisms. In essence, some species are nature's architects, continuously modifying their habitats to enhance their survival and that of others.